The Sportage has already been an excellent SUV, but with the most recent update, it turns into a vehicle you own for a lifetime. Well-designed, attractive, practical, and quite capable. It's a kind of car once you buy, you want to stick with it forever. Stay with us to find out 5 reasons why 2026 Kia Sportage owners will never sell it. Number 5. Fixed aesthetics. Remember when the Sportage first launched with that controversial tiger nose design? The polarizing boomerang-shaped lights and aggressive styling had people either loving it or absolutely hating it. Well, Kia listened to the feedback, and the 2026 refresh is bringing a complete aesthetic transformation that's going to change everything. The new front fascia ditches those divisive design elements that made previous models look too aggressive for some buyers. Gone are the controversial boomerang accent lights and the overly busy grille design that dominated the front end. Instead, Kia is introducing their Opposites United design language with a cleaner, more symmetrical approach that maintains boldness without being polarizing. The redesigned front end features vertically oriented LED headlights with available amber daytime running lights, the same design cue that made the Telluride so popular before they switched to white lights. This amber lighting signature is becoming Kia's go-to look across their entire crossover lineup, creating a cohesive family resemblance that feels both premium and distinctive. But the changes aren't limited to the front. The 2026 Sportage is getting revised LED taillights with a more geometric shape, updated bumpers both front and rear, and completely new wheel designs ranging from 17 to 19 inches. The overall result is a vehicle that looks more refined and mature while still maintaining the rugged SUV presence that attracts buyers. This aesthetic fix is crucial because it eliminates a barrier that kept potential buyers away from previous models. No longer will owners have to defend their vehicle's controversial looks or worry about the design aging poorly. The 2026 refresh creates a timeless appearance that's going to stay attractive for years to come, making owners feel confident about their choice long-term. Number 4. New tech features. Technology moves fast, but the 2026 Sportage is packed with tech upgrades that are going to keep it feeling current for the entire ownership experience. This year's update brought a comprehensive overhaul of the infotainment and connectivity systems that puts the Sportage ahead of many competitors. The centerpiece is the dual 12.3-inch panoramic display setup that completely transforms the cabin experience. The new curved display integration features Kia's latest infotainment software with dramatically improved graphics and response times. But here's what really matters. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard across all trim levels, not just the expensive ones. Over-the-air update capability is perhaps the most future-proof feature of all. While many competitors still require dealer visits for software updates, the Sportage can download and install improvements automatically, ensuring the vehicle stays current with the latest features and bug fixes throughout the ownership period. This means the infotainment system owners buy today will continue evolving and improving over time. The tech upgrades extend beyond the screen. Available features include a 10-inch head-up display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto navigation integration, a rare feature that most competitors reserve for their luxury brands. Digital Key 2.0 Premium allows owners to unlock, lock, and start their vehicle using just their smartphone, eliminating the need to carry traditional keys. Kia Connect services enable remote vehicle start, cabin preconditioning, vehicle status monitoring, and route planning from anywhere. For owners who value convenience and connectivity, these features create such a seamless ownership experience that switching to a different brand would feel like a major downgrade. Number 3. Spacious, well-designed, and practical interior. Passenger space is genuinely impressive with 41.4 inches of front legroom and 41.3 inches of rear legroom. To put that in perspective, the Sportage actually offers more rear seat legroom than the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and Ford Escape Hybrid. This means families can comfortably use the vehicle for years without feeling cramped, even as kids grow taller. Cargo capacity stands at 39.5 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 73.7 cubic feet with seats folded. The dual-level cargo floor adds even more versatility, allowing owners to create custom storage configurations for different needs. Whether it's weekly grocery runs, vacation luggage, or hauling gear for outdoor adventures, the Sportage adapts to virtually any storage requirement. But space is just the beginning. The build quality and material selection feel genuinely premium, with soft-touch surfaces, attractive two-tone color schemes, and attention to detail that matches vehicles from luxury brands. The available Syntex upholstery looks and feels like premium leather, while being more durable and easier to maintain. Clever interior details make the difference between a good SUV and one that owners never want to give up. Features like hooks on the back of headrests, configurable cup holders, and thoughtful small item storage throughout the cabin show that Kia engineers actually considered how families use their vehicles daily. The rotary shift knob, push-button start, and intuitive control layout create an upscale feel that makes every drive feel special. When owners step into their Sportage, they're not just getting transportation, they're entering a well-designed environment that enhances their daily routine. Number 2, hybrid powertrains that don't sacrifice performance. Here's where the 2026 Sportage truly separates itself from the competition and creates the kind of driving experience that keeps owners satisfied for years. The hybrid models received significant updates for this model year. The Sportage Hybrid's turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine combined with electric motors now produces 231 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. That's a 4 horsepower increase for 2026, but more importantly, it's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission instead of the CVT systems that plague competitors like the RAV4 and CR-V. This transmission choice makes a huge difference in real-world driving. While CVTs feel rubber bandy and disconnected, the Sportage Hybrid's 6-speed automatic provides crisp shifts and genuine engine braking, creating a more engaging and natural driving experience. For owners who actually enjoy driving, this matters enormously over years of ownership. Acceleration performance puts the hybrid ahead of many non-hybrid competitors. The 0 to 60 mph time of 7.3 seconds is genuinely quick for a compact SUV, making highway merging confidence-inspiring and daily driving more enjoyable. The instant torque from the electric motor fills in any gaps in the power delivery, creating smooth acceleration that never feels strained. The plug-in hybrid variant takes performance even further, with 268 horsepower and the ability to run on electric power alone for 34 miles. For many owners' daily commutes, this means driving in near-silent electric mode most of the time while having the security of gasoline backup for longer trips. Fuel economy remains excellent without sacrificing drivability. The front-wheel drive hybrid achieves 42 miles per gallon city and 44 miles per gallon highway, while all-wheel drive models still manage 38 miles per gallon in both city and highway driving. These efficiency numbers save owners significant money at the pump while reducing range anxiety on long trips. The all-wheel drive system in hybrid models doesn't compromise capability either. The new terrain mode for X-Line trims provides snow, mud, and sand settings that genuinely improve traction in challenging conditions. For owners who need real-world capability beyond pavement, the Sportage Hybrid delivers without forcing them to choose between efficiency and performance. Number 1. Strong reliability score. At the end of the day, nothing keeps owners attached to their vehicles like the confidence that comes from outstanding reliability. The 2026 Sportage builds on the proven foundation of the 2023 redesign, and the reliability scores are creating the kind of owner loyalty that other brands can only dream about. The current generation Sportage has established an impressive track record for dependability that directly translates to lower ownership costs and fewer headaches. Building on shared engineering with other proven Hyundai and Kia models, the Sportage benefits from years of refinement in powertrains, electronics, and build quality that have already been tested in real-world conditions. The standard 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine has a well-established reputation for durability and low maintenance costs. Unlike turbocharged rivals that face complexity-related problems, this proven powertrain avoids the long-term issues that can plague forced induction engines, making it ideal for owners who plan to keep their vehicles for many years. Kia's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty demonstrates the company's confidence in the Sportage's reliability. This isn't just marketing. It's a genuine commitment that protects owners from unexpected major repairs during the critical ownership period. When owners know their powertrain is covered for a full decade, the stress of potentially expensive repairs disappears completely. Owner reports consistently highlight materials that hold up well over time and infotainment systems that continue working reliably. The build quality improvements in recent years mean fewer rattles, squeaks, and minor annoyances that often drive owners to trade in their vehicles prematurely. Whether owners choose the conventional gas engine, hybrid, or plug-in hybrid variants, all powertrains are based on technology that has already proven itself in the field. This isn't experimental tech that might fail. These are refined systems with established track records for long-term durability. The result is a compact SUV that doesn't just promise reliability, it actively delivers it through real-world performance and continuous improvement. For owners seeking peace of mind, long-term dependability, and the confidence that comes from driving a genuinely reliable vehicle, the 2026 Sportage creates the kind of ownership experience that makes selling seem unnecessary. But it's not like the Sportage is the only compact SUV that reached the level of quality that keeps owners stick with them forever. Check out this video about the reasons why owners will never want to sell their 2026 Honda CR-V, which you can now see on the screen. With the latest update, the CR-V has just solidified its status as an ultimate SUV even more.